Very good morning, students. Today we are moving to next lesson, that is the fifth lesson of civics, that is women change the world. How the ladies, what is the condition with the ladies or the girl children, that already we have seen in last lesson, the gender inequality from our birth time onwards, how parents are making that the which type of toys for boys and which type of girl toys for girls, like that, and dressing collection of dresses and education facility, everything we have seen in last lesson. This lesson we are going to see the even though the ladies, they are not getting enough chance to study, or they are not getting enough food, and what all works they are considering, that is not considered as the work or the job or employment, like that. Then also how ladies, they are trying to change the world, or what is their participation or influence of the changing of world, that we are going to see. So in this lesson we can see the introduction part, that is taking the last chapter, what all aspects we discussed, that same thing. And we can see here one picture, that is very interesting picture. One lady is standing with globe in her hand or earth in her hand, and she is going to change. Then here some activity given, then who does what work, the profession name it is given downside. Then draw the image of the following: a farmer, a factory worker, like that. 6 items given that you want to draw. Then afterwards we want to make a little bit maths problem, means how many male images are there in total students. We are 25 students are there in the class. In that 25 students, how many students draw teacher as a male image, and how many students draw female image, that number we want to calculate. Then we are moving to the next lesson. The ladies, they are working in the agriculture field. Then here the 30 students class in Rosie ma'am's class, they are made like the teacher means male members for 5 members, female image it for 25 members. Farmer means 30 students also made that male image, and female image no one not made. Factory worker 25 male image and 5 female image. Then nurses 0 male image and 30 male image. Scientist 25 male image and 5 female image. And pilot 27 male image and 3 female image. That is the Rosie Madam School, how the children are drawn, that it is saying. Then next comes the fewer opportunities and rigid expectations. The ladies, they are not getting very few opportunities, and at that same time the expectation from the family members, that is in a particular way. It is in a particular way. We studied that word last year, stereotype. They are making the stereotype expectation from ladies. They should ladies can work this one or that one, not more than that, like that. They are giving the society kept some image about ladies. Then we can see the picture story. Then next topic, it is learning for change. The ladies, if the ladies are learning, then the changes in the society, that will be very faster. Very good example I can say from Kerala. More than 90% of the ladies as well as gents literacy rate. Total it is the present 2018 this ratio, it is that 96.4% in total literacy. In that male and female both, it is more than 90%. So the one of the SHG program, self-help group program name, it is Kudumbashree. In Kudumbashree, what is the concept they are saying? That is the mainly meant for ladies purpose. They are making the small groups in each and every area. That in every group there will be 10 to 15 members. And what the idea they are saying, like that, if one lady taught one thing, she will teach her family members. Means if the one mother, she is learning something new to make some food, or how to keep house hygiene, cleaning of the house, like that things, then she will apply and she will teach other family members also. If we are teaching one gent member, he will teach the society, but he won't work out that one in the family. So in the same way we can see how the learning, the education, how it is helping for the change in the society. And we can see many examples in this lesson how they are taken the initiative to teach the ladies, and how the development or changes in the world it is making faster. Then it is given some picture story, not store these boxes, in that also some members who taken the initiative for education. The next one, schooling and education today. In today's education, what is the role? If we are thinking like that, we can see boys and girls are going to school, but ratio, even in our class we can see number of boys it is more. If it is there is 18 boys in a classroom, usually there will be only 15 or 14 girls in the classroom. In some classroom less than that also. For 20 boys there may be 5 to 6 girls, not even 8 9 means it's okay. It should be 10 equal to 10, like that means for 10 boys 10 girls should be there, but it is not happening. So many reasons are there. Then even in India, if you are looking that the total literacy rate, that is 74%, but when we are looking to ladies literacy rate, it is less than 60, and gents literacy rate it is higher. Then what is the literacy rank in the international way for of India? That is 128th rank we are having, and our literacy rate it is 74.4%. And the countries like which is near to us, Nepal or Bangladesh, they are having higher literacy rate, and best example is Sri Lanka, more than 90% of literacy rate, and they are having means near to 20 or like that some ranking in the world. Then here it is given the annual dropout rate in the school education. From that, boys and girls and general means all people, all students together, and SC ST separately it is given. We can see that one again it is divided into 3 groups: primary, upper primary and secondary, like that. And primary means 1 to 5 classes, then upper primary means 6 to 8 classes, then secondary means 9th and 10th. So in that we can see the girls, they are dropouts. The total dropouts it is more in boys, even though they are getting maximum chance to study. That is in primary level. Primary classes 4.36% in boys, and girls 3.88%. But when we are coming to the upper primary, we can see boys 3.49% only, girls it is coming 4.60%. Then again in secondary we can see more or less same, not that much difference, like that. Then again SC, that again in the primary level boys number is a little bit higher and girls number is less. Then in upper primary we can see girls number is very higher dropouts, and in the high school again it is secondary level it is coming more or less equal or small variations in that. Then ST students primary level, boys dropouts are more, girls dropouts are less, and in upper primary level it is more or less same, and the secondary level also more or less same, not that much difference. The next one it is boys and girls, we are making that one in the diagram graph, and we are trying to understand. Then we are seeing that is the most important thing, the after learning something, after understanding what is the condition of the world, what they will do, they will make some of the movement. What are movements they, how they are making movements, or what the movement, campaigning is one type of movement. Then raising awareness in another one program, then protesting, that is another one, then showing solidarity, that is another one. Like this many programs they are taking up, and they are manifesting or they are participating this one. By that they are trying to change in the world. For example, we know the we can't use, the people can't use tobacco in the public place. Tobacco and tobacco articles they can't use in the public place. Then who is taken that initiative? Ladies only taken that initiative. They only filed a case in Supreme Court because they are suffering, because gents members, they are smoking in roadside, and they are using the tobacco packets and chewing it, and spitting in roadside. That's why even in railway station, bus stand, and in the hospitals or in shop sides, everywhere. So ladies, some of the ladies, they taken the initiative to give the file the case in the Supreme Court, and they got like that they made a small change. Even though we can see the prohibition is there in public place, we can't use like that things, but still in our society people are using, and even police, they are using. Nobody is not taking care. Why? We people are keeping quiet. So this is as a 7th standard student, not as a boy or girl, altogether we are having the responsibility to respond to this act what is given by the Supreme Court, the prohibition of the use of tobacco and smoking and other tobacco items in the public places. If we are raising voice, surely the people, they will stop the using of like these things. Okay, we will continue in next video.